Hello again, another Japanese restaurant job located in Edogawa, Tokyo, and there is a branch also in Ichikawa in Chiba. So this is a Japanese restaurant. So we're looking for a 4 people for this one. The salary for this is from 250,000 yen to 270,000 yen, and there will be bonus also. So you must also speak at least conversational Japanese for this one. So this is also scheduled for interview tomorrow, 6/17, Tuesday, at our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So anyone willing to apply for a restaurant job, the job description is kitchen and hall job. So again, you must speak conversational Japanese for this one. So if you are willing to apply, you can comment down below, or you can also call our office number at 036-206-8058. Thank you.